Well, hello everyone, it's me, Daniel, with Website Candy, and as promised, I have another video here for you. I wanted to go right to Durable, and I wanted to do this video first in regards to AI that will build your website. And once you come over to the website, the link will be down below. You'll see where all you have to do is just put in very little information. Your business type, your business name, your address, a location of where you're located, and it will spit out something for you. Now, honestly, I kind of like the idea that you can regenerate a certain section versus the whole entire website, or you can go regenerate the whole entire website if you decide you want to. However, to be honest, I was like, no, this isn't it. They have a great concept. This looks good. I mean, it could be good. However, I don't really necessarily care for this website. So I have 3 examples here for you guys. And this one right here, I did like online coaching. I said the business was online coaching or whatever the case may be. And I called it Train You Up. A thumbs up for such a cool name. The second website that I did here, I did a photography website. And it's kind of showing a little bit of more character in regards to the way it's laid out, but it still looks really cookie cutter. I named this one right here One Shot. Another thumbs up or a subscribe or a like for such a cool name. And then the very last one I did right here, I haven't even seen it yet, but I did Website Candy, a web design company, and it looks okay. However, it's just not really there for me, man. I just don't necessarily think that this tool will be good. I mean, maybe it has room to improve. Maybe they're in the early stages. I don't know, man. I'm not really feeling it. I'm trying to trigger the little pop-up that pops up there in regards to showing you, what you get if you decide to use this right here. As I mentioned, as I'm trying to get this to trigger, I am a web developer. My website is listed below. Feel free to reach out to me and talk with me. I really want to help you guys more than anything with Google My Business. I can't get the website to trigger. I seen it earlier and I probably should have showed it to you guys then, but I had so much on my mind that I already wanted to share with you guys. There it is. As soon as I'm trying to end the video, it pops up. Unlimited regenerations, website editing tools, custom domain, all kind of different stuff, as you can see right here, that you will receive if you decide to sign up for this. I'm not even going to sign up and go any further. I'm done with this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.